It's the Muppet Show with our special guest star.
I watched that the other day, actually.
We have 3 extra. We have lots of extra DPS on there. 3.
Bomb bag.
Yes, you do. There's more stuff over there.
No, I mean there's Maverick is here, Pelly is here.
I think because all our stuff's dead. They'll kind of float.
Pull someone to mid real quick.
Or they're
Should
in the
I be
wrong
on the other
spot.
side?
One of the two.
Alright, that's good, that's good, thank you.
Here comes their way.
Pull back.
float.
Beware.
Yeah, one. You're on right, Pelly.
Coming through.
Beware.
We're in a good spot to transition. Like right now.
Kill this engineer quick.
He's dead, he's dead.
Do it.
One bomb each side.
I've got it.
Good.
The machinery is damaged. Keep those
Right, moving.
Beware.
Converge them. Converge them. Converge and AoE them down.
Barrack DC. Let me die if possible.
Warlord, we have it under control.
I'll track the next black.
Watch the bombs. Bomb bags, watch it.
Yeah, we seen him, we seen him.
Let 'em out.
Who's fixated? Gankus? Can you go to the first one?
Barrett, I pulled you into a corner. Thank you.
Beware.
It's active.
It's coming up. There it is.
Bring it down. Security guards are incoming, get ready.
I have no idea where they spawn at, but sure.
They spawn
Kill
at random.
elementalist.
Oh, on
Usually
my
in the
head.
center for you.
Everything on elementalist. Come on, we gotta kill it. Quick.
Easy.
Just leave it out there. Let's leave it out there. Don't bring it too close, or else I'm pretty sure it's down.
Little fire caller.
Beware.
Bring the slag elemental closest, please. It's too far.
Louder. Yeah, if you're fixated,
Slag
bring it in.
elemental's too far.
Trying to interrupt it. There you go.
Oh, there it is, there it is. Good.
We got it.
Target elementalist, it's up.
I can amp the next blast if you guys want.
I've got an Avenging Nathrezim in there.
So you want it?
That's not a heal, that's a friend. Oh, avenging? Yeah, sorry.
5 seconds.
Okay, is that
Clear ads.
Roger, roger. Learn ads.
Sorry, Barrett, you were fixated. Oh, it's okay. This game fucking hates me and wants me to download a patch.
Beware.
I know. That shit's stupid.
Beware.
Shit is up, skull. What the fuck? Get winding up.
Somebody just killed.
Beware.
Burn
You can use
skull, come
those.
on.
Five seconds.
Okay, we're good.
Next one I'm gonna hero. Let's just clear ads right now.
Roger. Clearing ads.
Beware.
Converge it in.
Find a fire color and kill it.
Working on it.
There's one in the back over here.
Yeah, on
Somebody
two.
stunned it for some.
Me.
Get away from Shin. I'm also one of the fixed.
Beware.
5, 4,
Alright, the slag is over there.
1.
Here comes hero.
Beware.
Tucci,
It's up, kill it quick. Kill skull.
5, 4,
Burn her down.
3, 2, 1.
All ranged. Get ready to get in the back over here.
Beware.
Use this portal. Oh, never mind.
Kill skull.
He'll die.
It is free.
Okay, killed him really quick. Kill these guys.
5, 4,
I'll grab the boss.
1.
A small victory, but now you will
I'm gonna
Okay.
amp the next
in
one.
the flame that burns at the heart.
Kill the fire callers so that they don't heal.
Beware. Drown in fire.
There's a milk growing kind of in our path. Get
Okay,
towards the
time.
furnace side.
Beware.
Okay, bring it out more. May not bring it back. Got slags all over the place, or wherever it is, the pools.
Drown in fire.
Another slag, move.
Devo in the next blast.
We're stuck
Okay.
back here.
Beware.
I'm pulling them, I'm pulling the boss, I'm pulling the boss, so you got more room.
I'm just telling you, homie.
Beware.
Lots of room. Go ahead and use it.
Barrett, are you back in?
The loading got goes, so I should be back in soon. I hope.
What the hell?
Just
Beware.
I am behind the corner.
who are you?
The mage.
Mage.
Oh, the main.
Well, enjoy the show.
I could not get
Wanna
out
drop-
of here.
Move out of here. Move. Go all the way around, man. We're stuck back here, homie.
Good, good. Don't range your healers.
On guts.
Beware.
Watch your feet.
Giving these guys more range.
It's dead.
It's not dead.
Yay.
Now it's dead.